Hey guys, Coach here with Trading Friends, and we're just getting ready to post this in our Slack group. These are our first two trades this morning. They both expired full in the money. However, no one in the group would have held it for full in the money based on the time it took to get there, the entry price, the exit price, and all of that. So we started the first trade, which was the 1626, was entered at 7:02. And now Nadex is playing with a 1/10 the size contract that they used to. So if you had one contract on that trade and we entered it at $5, so at an entry of $5, if we just entered it and closed our eyes and forgot about it for almost 2 hours, it would have either made $5 or lost $5 minus your fees. But what I say is, let's not wait 2 hours and see if it makes $5, right? Let's see if we can get in and get out and make a T1, and then see if that T1 can go to a T2, and now you're just adding dollars to it. And when you're in that phase, you're just trying to see if you can follow rules and the basic skill set section. Once you do that, you adjust your contracts. So now you would say trading 10 contracts, and now a T1 would be $10, and a T2 would be 20, and a T3 would be 30. And that's how we'll record it as the signal. But for you, you would take your profit based off of your mindset, right? And so your T1 might be $20, or your T1 might be $40. And all you're trying to do is make $40 quick, instead of waiting for it to hit deeper targets, more pips going downhill. Like if you're looking at this chart, the deeper it goes, the more it makes. But on Nadex, once it gets to a certain point, you can't make any more money on it, regardless of how low it goes. Just like if it kicks out of this turn zone and goes up here, and they both lose, once it gets to a certain point on Nadex, you can't lose anymore. So that's why I think this is much better than a broker. It has built-in stop losses. So if you entered every trade, you would have a 50-50 shot of being full in the money or full out of the money at a risk reward of 1-to-1. And then using what I teach you, you can say, I'll get in at 5 and get out at 4, and that 1 equals $10. Or I'll get in at 5 and get out at 2. That's going to equal $3 times 10, $30. And we're going to do that multiple times. We did it 7 times yesterday, went 6-1. We did it the day before that, went 6-1. And then I only needed 2 trades to finish out my 16th group of 10. So I was more worried about getting these 2 accurate. So we took 2 slower ones. And thank goodness, because they moved slower. So we're 2-0, and that puts us at 9-1, 90% win rate in this group of 10, and 9-1, 90% win rate in our previous group of 10. So we're 18-2 out of our last 2 groups. So if you want to learn how to do that, come join us.